Asking someone can be so stressful. Trust me, I've been there. I asked all sorts of different girls and just got rejected time and again. My name's Jake Sawyer, and this is my story. Nice shoes. Want to go to prom? Go to prom with me.
No.
After all these failed attempts, I came up with a brilliant idea.
I realized there's only one way to get a girl to go to prom with you. And that's if you're famous. Is white lightning. Yeah. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm rap tapping up on your door. Knock knock, bang bang. It's white lightning, and I'm here to say something exciting. Annika Bacchus, you're a goddess, and I want to take you to prom. Ha, cause there's nothing in the world that I want more than to have you up on my arm.
Annika Bacchus, will you go to prom with me?